Hello. Yes, hello, hello, hello. Let me pull up my chat just kind of to the right of my Discord. Not that. That. Yeah, good morning. Good morning, good morning. I have my YouTube chat up so I can watch or react to any messages that you send and all that. But today we're working on a Discord bot. So you can see here, actually, I might just pull this message up. Part of that's actually wrong. We'll edit that today. Um, so for those of you that don't know, I work to run a Christian Minecraft server. I laugh every time I say it. It's such a meme. But this has been going actually for about 2 years now. It's been going pretty well. Um, we had an issue where players were just so we have this group called Swag, kind of a meme, but also stands for the Server Wide Association of Gamers. The idea of it is that it's a body in which you can propose bills, and then anyone that's a quote active player unquote can vote on things that can change the game. Say, for example, implement a court system. They can ask for new plugins or resource packs. I'm going to try to do one for Christmas soon. Stuff like that. And so basically, the idea it's just meant to give the players some choice when it comes to how they want their vanilla plus server to look. Um, we had a lot of people that joined all at once, and typically, if you join and then you hop on the server, we give you the active player because you've played within the past 30 days. But people were taking advantage of that and were just inviting their friends to come in and join and then vote for their resolution after they joined the server. Um, and that was an issue because we didn't it didn't feel right that they were just able to do that so easily. So what we've done is we've re- sent this message in our announcement: eligibility requirements for swag voting, and we're trying to build a Discord bot to do that. And I'll show things in a little bit. So over the past week, we've seen unprecedented growth and fundamental systemic change to our server. Yada yada yada. The most important part for programming the requirements is for new players to be eligible to vote and propose bills and swag. They must meet these three conditions. So by that we're meaning before you can become before you have the ability to become an active player, you need to do these things first. They need to have spent at least 2 months in the server. So that means connecting to the Minecraft instance. Um, Spent 150 hours of active playtime and be in good standing with the server. That means not banned or on probation. I'm kind of maxing out. I'm going to lower that just a decibel. Um, so, and anyone that was already considered active on 10/1/23 will be grandfathered in. Basically, that means if their join date is before that October 1st date, we're good to go ahead and just bring them in. And each new player only has to meet these three conditions once. Once you do that, you don't. Once you've met that condition, you're done. You're good. Um, so that's kind of like the prerequisite. And then for someone to be considered a quote active player, they need to spend at least 2 hours of playtime on the server within the past 30 days. That has actually changed. It's now 30 minutes every week for 3 weeks of active playtime on the server. That's a bit easier to understand. It makes sure that you're not getting all your hours in at once, but it also is making it to where you're just hopping on for 30 minutes. It's not that hard to do com- combined over 7 days. And then you have to be in good standing with the server, so not banned or on probation. Um, and then all players must meet that to be considered that. 1 second. Hey, Cube. I know you're probably just in chat, so I'm just explaining. to the stream. But yeah, so that's kind of that. That's all that. Let's get started. Let me pull up Discord on my... Yeah. And just so you know, I am streaming, so I'm going to not pull up config.json. But yeah, as of right now, leave the bot. Should be running. Yeah. So, contributors, status initialized. Let's just pull. So we have a bot testing. So let's see here. If we do /trail, we'll refresh. So you can see it's popping out everyone's thing. That's... So one thing we'll need this to do is also grab the date they join. So let's go in there. I believe that's going to be enroll refresh. Players. What is players? What is RH and LH cube? Okay. So supposedly, do you know what that request looks like? Hmm. That. Wonder. Oh, look at the function. A. Yeah, this is defining players. All right. util. Okay, yeah. So I was right. That is defining players. Okay. Yeah, but I want to know. I need to add to players the date that they joined. Like their first log on. Player activity. Oh, that's just player. So let's see. Where's go to death? That is the def. Man, you look. No. Find the source definition. Oh. Control plus click. Yeah, I know. Control plus click the link. Bet. Bet. Okay, so turning an array. So extract player from API response. Username. Okay. Here's all the things. Registered. Okay. Yeah, that's what I figured. I knew I was missing something. Um I guess it's safe to say registered is their first join. So yeah, let's go in here. First join. And then basically we can just yoink that. Paste that there. And then where was this? Registered. Oh, there's not going to be a space. That's okay. Let's go to bot testing. Do it again. Oh. And I bet that is not a float. It's a date. Okay. Parse date. We'll see if that's a thing. Parse date. It probably isn't. Uh, did not fetch player. Yeah, that's my fault. Yeah. I'm trying to be. I wonder if I can just. Let's see here. Date object JS. Can I just. Oh, is it just printable? Yeah, it's just printable. Okay. I can just do that, right? Our state is not defined. See if he. Yes. Not fetch player data. Discord API error. Invalid form body. Base type max length. Oh. That makes it too many characters. Uh, that's frustrating. It looks like it is working though, so I think for now, let's just try. I'm just gonna put a comment here. I'm just gonna copy this, paste that there, create comment thread, and then we're just actually gonna remove it just for a second. Just so I can verify that it's is grabbing the correct thing. Let's try again. Could not fetch player data. Okay, still. Okay. I wonder if I can just have it console.log that. I probably can. I don't see why I couldn't. Uh, join date. The JS date object parses when creating it. You can do new date, your date string to locale date string. Oh, okay. That might be what it was then. Try. Join date. Ooh. Is it registered? I don't remember anymore. Yes, registered. And then that's dot to locale. date string. I don't think that's gonna fix the error that we're getting, but it might. Oh, it did. Okay. Yeah. This is everyone's join date. Yeah, actually, all of these people with a 3 are valid right now. Because, oh, well, Galaxy Turtle actually isn't. So we need to. Okay. So we basically want roll refresh now to just return people that joined for October 1st or 60 days before the current date. That makes sense. Let's see here. We now have it. Yeah, so it makes the reply there. So we need to loop. Yeah, so we basically need to loop through the player's object, and for every player that joined over 60 days. Okay. Is it like Python? Can I just loop through an object? Let's see. Let's Google. Google. Google time. See here. Okay. Oh, I can do for each. Okay. For player in players. How to remove. Yeah, it is. It is El Swagbato. Let's see. Coffee time. Coffee. Okay. Now we can close that. So let's do for constant. Oh, player's already defined. individual in player. I didn't hate that. I've never programmed in JavaScript before, so if I should just be able to do, oh, that should be players. That's iterable. I think I need a semicolon after. If individual dot registered we're going back in time, so minus. I gotta figure out how to do days. You can do an erase. One of those being dot filter x. Ooh. Ooh. That's nice. Okay. So I can probably actually do it in this one line. So you could throw it right in there before. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. So players.filter.sort. Um yeah, okay. Can you just explain to me what that little arrow does? As long as x, I assume that's greater than or equal to, weirdly, is less than. Surely today is a function. Today function Java script. Oh, so the date object whenever you initialize it. Okay. So date. As long as it's so as long as they've registered 60 days before. Kind of what I'm thinking, I think. Uh the lambda function. I should know what that means. I don't, but I should. Add days to a date. JavaScript. Oh, dot add days. Okay. $8.31 plus 1 day will become 9.1. So I want it to be negative 60 actually. And as long as it, yeah, okay. I think that's right actually. We'll make sure I didn't. Okay. Either I didn't miss something too terribly bad, or he is typing a very long thing that I missed. Either way, let's go see how that works. See bot testing. Could not. Oh, okay. Well, let's see what our error is. Date add days. It's not a function. I thought date could be called with nothing. Does it need something? Oh, I have to define add days. I see. Oh, do I want to go through and what do you basically an inline function, so you don't have to declare the function somewhere else. Oh, that is nice. Okay, so that's what a lambda function is. Got it. Uh, I feel like am I just going to yeah, I guess. This up here. And then yeah, so that's date and days. And then add days, date minus 60. I think now if I fingers crossed, I'm gonna do this and Cube's gonna be like, don't do that. Oh, okay. Let's see here. Okay, that did that actually. It actually okay. So I need to do that. Or x dot registered is less than. How do I define a specific date? Let's go look. Specify a specific date in JS. Oh, okay. I can just X registered before date 2023. Surely that is, yeah, it's year month day. 2023 10/01. Well, let's try that. Nope. Nope. Hated that. Let's try that again. Twenty 316 23 12 27 110. So yeah, the people that I'm noticeably missing is people like 9/17 2023. Yeah, that's the issue. Or so where X is registered. That logic is right. Because if they weren't registered as of 60 days ago, but they were registered before October the 1st of 23, that statement would be true. Yeah, that tracks. So why is... Why don't I just do it as this? 2023 10. That's year, month, day. Um, hour, minute, second. So hour, minute, second. So yeah, it's just not pulling everyone. So like, for example, up here's before we started trying to filter, where is like that geek join date was 9/17. He should be in this list. Is there anyone that was as of 60 days ago? And so I'm looking for like an 8. That's not 60 days ago. Yeah, okay, so it's only pulling people that are making that first statement true. There's still... Oh, it's a string. Okay. So if I do date of that and date of that, it'll compare the same types. Oh, he's typing. I believe you. That would explain why comparing it to that, it kind of it tracks. Oh, okay, never mind. We cannot send an empty message, so that filter returned nothing. Let's go quickly. What is registered? Okay, so registered is already considering it a date. So we don't need to be defining a date. I think my issue is with the evaluation of this Boolean statement. Am I supposed to put parentheses around here? Maybe? Let's try it. Three 16 23 7. Not it. Hmm. by yourself. So if I just do new date, and let's just do, I know Dat Geek isn't working, so 2023 9 3. And then if E is greater, if E is less than date, I'd have to define add days. Never mind, that's not going to work well. Yeah. Is it my logic? Should that be an and? Surely not, right? I think the or is right. I guess try it. I don't think it's going to be right. Cannot send an empty message. Is there something about or statements in... Wait, cannot send an empty message. Oh, something's wrong with this statement. Because my date declaration right here is incorrect. Because that shouldn't be an empty message. There are dates that satisfy both of those requirements. Yeah. Because yeah, 11/20/2022 is both 60 days before the current day and is before October 1st, 2023. Both of those are correct. Hmm. What's going on right there? It's a tough one. I don't have to have a semicolon somewhere that I'm missing, right? So all this work with prior date. Uh, oh, okay. I don't have to do new in front of this, right? Really not. Let's see here. Oh my goodness, was that it? Oh, well, that's the stupidest thing I've ever seen. Okay. I needed to add new date. So I guess. Okay, because I was defining it like that and it wasn't. It was. Okay. That's stupid. It's working. I think it's working now, though. Let me just go through and check because I believe who was it that joined on October 7th? So I'm looking for someone named Galaxy Turtle. Oh, he's still there. No. Okay, my logic's wrong again. Uh, adding new on all date. Let's try it. The issue. If I switch this to a, I, th- I think I'm right with the ors, but I don't know. I don't trust myself for some reason. Let's try it again. Yeah, I was very right with the ors because the ands. This is calculating correctly. Yeah. The issue is that this comparison, for some reason, isn't happening. New date. Not declaring the date wrong. Oh wait, there's a function called get date. Okay, get date. And then get. Oh, that's date of month. Okay, no, we still want new date because that's capturing. Okay, that makes sense. Uh, what if I just log? I'm just trying to learn dates equals new date. That's. I wish that I could. Can I console.log this evaluation? This might be unpretty. Yeah. Oh, true, 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 true. False, false. What if I log that? Interesting. That tracks. Okay. Console.log that. Oh, missing a parenthesis. They're all true. Oh, yeah, because it's only evaluating that now. It's like it's only running this part of the function. Am I missing something with Lambda functions? Filter function, JavaScript. Okay. The word for equal to spray. Don't now let's not. Okay, so that evaluates properly. If I put parentheses around that, will it still, yeah, it still evaluates properly. This is interesting. Yeah, so I don't think something's wrong with this date is what's going on. Oh, I see. Month is a number between 0 and 11. I am an idiot. Thank you, VS Code. Survey says. I think that actually will do it. I can't believe I did that. Yeah, that worked. I hate that. Yeah, who is it? Galaxy Turtle? I Yeah, we don't see Galaxy Turtle. Ugh. Okay. That's done. I'm sorry, Cube. That was probably painful. Uh so whenever you declare a date, it is, does that mean, okay, why is it month index if it's date between 1 and 31 and year? Ugh, that's frustrating. So now we need to do that. And then, so we'll run that evaluation and x.active. I know, it's like, why would, why would that be declared like that? Is greater than or equal to a 3.0. That's just, they're both integers, so that should be fine. So I believe if we now run node index.js, that should give us the list of everyone that is allowed to be an active player. Yeah, that's everyone that can be an active player right now. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12. Yeah, that's correct. That's exactly what we're looking for. So that's filtering properly. I guess next would be, because right now this is their, well, no one's linked anything yet, I guess. At some point we need to figure out when did people link when people link their accounts, we need their name to be their Discord name, not necessarily. Wonder if we can add that to the player account util part, because this is where they're defining player. Username. That'd be tough. I don't know. Do I just leave it there, merge it to whatever, and call it a day? That's tempting. Very tempting. Let's see. Yeah, so how do we, I believe, what is it? It link data dot, yeah, link data dot JSON. Enter Discord. Ah, okay. Very cool. Good. So we should probably be, this is implemented. So we really just need people to link their account. So that all, yeah, okay. So if I link my account, it goes in there. Goes in linkdata.json. Then that's from account utils. Which is, so we're filtering on this. Username, Minecraft UID. Oh, well, I guess that's not everything to be an active player. You also have to hit 150 hours of playtime. Hmm. Now, question is, do we store that? Do we run that calculation every single time this is called for every, well, it's just an integer comparison, so that shouldn't be too bad. hopefully get the auto roll management working. Yeah, I'm hoping if I can get all of this filter figured out for you guys, it'll be a little easier. I hope. Because it'd be cool to have it done tonight. It'd be really cool. So as long as their registered date isn't before that. Oh, I wonder if in link data is that in seconds? That's probably seconds. Seconds or milliseconds. Okay, well, let's go to the. That's gotta be seconds. Milliseconds? Let's see. I bet account util says. Parse int. It didn't say. It's 150 hours. Pull up my calculator. 150 hours. Each of those has 60 minutes, and then each of those has 60 seconds. So, how many milliseconds are in a second? 1,000? I don't trust myself on that. Let's see. I don't believe anyone has hit 150. So here's, yeah, okay, 1,000. Here's the question though: do we just don't know what's going on, but JS is always milliseconds? That sucks. Okay, yeah, we'll multiply that by like 100,000 then. Where'd my calculator go? Okay, so they need to hit that number greater than or equal to that number for it to be. Okay. If we do, I think if I do, I guess the question is, do we store if they're an active player in link data.json? We could probably do that pretty easily. Because I should just have to edit it here. So let's do new player. Do I have to define this somewhere? I probably do. Actually, maybe I don't. We'll do new player is equal to is defined as so they're a new player if player dot registered. Okay, so let me. Yeah, I think it'd probably best to put it here. If player.registered is that or that. So if either of those are true and they meet the playtime requirement, so player dot playtime is greater than or equal to crap. Okay, that's milliseconds. And so that's the join date. That's the playtime. I believe the only thing we're missing is what's the other requirement for someone to be a new player? Joined 2 months ago. Oh, not banned. Hmm. Hmm. Um, I don't think we're collecting ban information right now, so maybe we'll just do that. Oh, this logic is wrong. Because if they register before that time, they don't have to do that. I don't think we're showing ban stats yet. That's something I was going to look into tonight. The API doesn't return any info on it, probably because no one is currently banned. Do you want me to ban someone? I'll ban someone. Let's see here. So I believe if I do that and then an or statement. Oh, and then I need to negate this. The negation of that. Because I'm negating that. Static playtime value is 150 hours times by 60 minutes times by 60 seconds times by 1,000 milliseconds. I have to make sure that this ends up being. I probably have to declare that I want it to be a Boolean. Am I? Yeah, new Boolean. So I gotta wrap all this in new Boolean. Wrap all that in that. Bada bing, bada boom, bada bow. should pull it correctly. So then I can just go to role refresh and say result.filter x dot new player. Is that what I named it? New underscore player. And then I've got to also do kind of something like this again. Existing new player is equal to player dot new player, whatever the question marks mean. New player. Okay, there we go. I think all I need to do. See. Add days is not defined. Add days is not defined. Ooh, that's right. I only define add days here. Let's just, like, because I don't need that there anymore. It's doing the calculation in here. I know that's going to be an issue, so we'll just do that. There we go. I believe if we go here into bot testing, we should get the same exact thing slash role refresh. And we get the same thing. But now in the JSON, new player, all of these are okay. Oh wait, I should go look specifically for someone not in this list. So who is it? Galaxy Turtle. So let's go look at Galaxy Turtle. He's true. Oh, but Skinwalker should be false. Why is this all true? Is there anyone that has new player false? Okay, that's an issue. Yeah, something's new Boolean. So I want to do. So this is saying if they registered 2 months ago, how did this x dot new underscore player, has it not, what does it take to write to that link underscore JSON, link data JSON? It's written to it, but it just wrote everyone as true. But there's no way everyone's true because our message is filtered. No, it's not. It doesn't have Galaxy Turtle, or it does have Galaxy Turtle, and it shouldn't. Okay, no, so that does mean that something here is incorrect. Player.registered. Yeah, because should I not be negating that? That's probably what it is. That's believable. I wonder if I shouldn't be negating that. Let's run the bot again. See here. No, that still didn't work. But I was negating it, yeah, so now it's all false. So why is it all false? That's the question. That's tough. We can... Oh, because hmm, I think that that's it. I I can't just use these because I have to go in and build all these again because I'm at a lower layer. So I need to do really. I need to do new date player dot register dot v. And I need to declare that, and then this has to be parse int player dot active playtime dot v. And I need to do this again. So that might be what's going on. Let's see. Robot is initialized. Let's go to bot testing. Survey says nope. No, that was not it. Oh, because active playtime is camel case. That would be why. So I was calling the wrong variable. Galaxy. This goes to there. Oh, I'm missing a parse int. So now if I run that, and then I run that, I get so excited every single time I do this, and then it doesn't work. Let's see here. Oh, I'm about to need some more coffee. So let's go to register. It's just new date, parseInt, player.register.v. Oh yeah, if I just highlight that, where else is it showing it up? Showing up there and showing up there like it should. What else are we using? Active playtime. That's showing up right there. So one of these is like always true for some reason. The question is why? So this is an or, so it could be either one of these. This is an and, so it would have to be. What would it be? What would it be? How's declaring a Boolean work? Am I sure that I'm doing that properly? Answer's obviously no. Oh, well, maybe I am. Oh, Boolean expression. I shouldn't do new Boolean expression. Whatever. Is that my issue? That was my issue. Oh, that makes me mad. Okay. Just JavaScript things. Okay, so we now have that filtering. New player is now a thing in here. So yeah, you can see Bubba Taze is not a new player, but Bearded Cleric is a new player. Recycler is a new player. Chillaxin. This is concerning. That geek, think it does need to be negated. But it's giving me the right answer. Oh, because that's not negated. I need to say that they're not a new player. I definitely need to negate this entire expression. So let's see here. I believe if I run this now, it should work the right way. Yeah, it still works. And then if we go to link data, yeah, everyone's Presto Ollie is not a new player. Dat Geek is not a new player. Yeah, okay. So there's now the new player variable. So we can just call that, which we're currently doing that. Now I'm debating, do I need to do that for, should I make something stored? I think the big thing is just, are they a new player? Because if they are, they can't access certain things. I don't think we need to store active player, because when we do role refreshes, and actually, yeah, so we might, this might be the spot later. And if so, to remove the player role. Because that might be, if it exists in the JSON, this is checking if it exists in the JSON, so that might be where that goes. Okay. So we've done, I feel like we've done something productive. I've helped. I think that's enough for a commit. Let's get that. Filter role, refresh. Criteria. Edit new player. What's a sub thing of a class object? No. Oh, I can't remember. What's a variable in a class named? A class variable. Property. Ah, thank you. You're right. Added new player property. Ah. Filter roll refresh. Added new player property. Always stage. Publish branch. Then yeah. Ah. Okay. Yeah, I am going to merge this in just a second. Just gonna update everyone on what I did so I can get brownie points. Let's see here. Roll refresh now filters players and what else? Oh yeah. Players now have a property named new player, a boolean that takes into account the so let's get this merged. Call it a stream, probably. GitHub. Has recent compare and pull request. Able to merge. I'll just and checking for the ability to merge automatically. Merge, firm merge, and it's merged. Perfect. 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 Awesome. Cube, I'm gonna drop out of here now that I've done that. I feel like I've done a bit. So we'll chat with you later. I don't know. I might do a little more later today. But thank you. Awesome. And with me dropping out of that chat, I'm now about to drop out of this one. Thank you guys for watching. A lot of fun to do that. I've enjoyed working on this. Yeah, this has been a lot of fun. I'm excited to make this not private later on and make it to where people can like fork it and use it in their own. Because yeah, I think it'll be really useful. At least it will be for our team. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you